Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning how to download and install Mo.co app on your iOS device. First of all, make sure that your iOS device is connected to a stable internet and launch open App Store. In the search bar at the top, type in Mo.co and search. Look for this application from Supercell and tap the Get button. Now, authenticate with your Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password to get the download process started. Wait for the application to download and install, which may take us several minutes depending upon your internet speed. Make sure you are using a stable internet connection so that the app can get downloaded quicker. Once the app is installed, you can tap on Open to launch Mo.co and start your monster hunting adventure. So that's how you easily do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.